trapped in the rain. It never stops. Terrified, Clara stumbled back, realizing the storm was a prison for lost souls. The woman reached out, fingers stretching in desperation. Clara turned to flee, but the rain surged, dragging her toward the figures whispering her name. She fought against the tide, hearing a final haunting plea. "Don't forget us." Clara made it inside, trembling. The storm cleared by morning, but the memory lingered. Days turned into weeks. Yet every storm brought back the souls' faces in the puddles and their cries on the wind. She warned the townsfolk, but they dismissed her tales as childish fears. One stormy night, Clara heard that familiar voice, stronger and more insistent. "Join us." Drawn to the door, she stepped outside, and the darkness enveloped her. The townsfolk never saw Clara again, but on stormy nights, her voice mingled with the whispers in the rain, forever caught between worlds.